So what is social impact and what isn't social impact? And I think there's a lot of confusion. And just to be clear, in the past, the nonprofit community was very articulate around who they served, how many they served, and what needs they met. That was important then, it's important now, and it'll be important in the future. But when you think about social impact, you also have to answer the question, what difference did you make? So to say we serve a certain number of people and we meet their needs in nutrition or education, all that is important. But without answering the question, what difference did you make, you fall short of social impact. I think that's point number one. And I think our nonprofit organizations are very good at measuring their reach, and I think that shouldn't go away. But social impact is about more than reach now. It is about what difference did you make. And I think that's really important. Now, a lot of people think of social impact as measurement. And, that's a little short-sighted. Measurement is part of determining the social impact that your program has. But measuring in and of itself is not social impact. Measuring in order to adjust your strategy so that you're more effective is what social impact is all about. So measuring in and of itself is not social impact. It's part of a process and part of a mindset, because if you want to make a difference, you have to ask yourself, how are you doing? And once you get the data, you'll be able to tell if you're doing well, if you're doing not so well, if your strategy has to change. And so when we think about social impact, sometimes we conjure up this image of measurement as being social impact. Social impact is the way we lead to make a difference. It's the difference between being outcome intended and outcome driven. Social impact is being driven to make sure that a positive result happens as a result of your efforts, and your data will tell you that. So measurement is a means to an end. It's not an end in itself.